Hey dear traders, Carl Dittman here from www.carldittman.com, and this might be one of the most valuable 7-minute videos you'll watch on your trading journey. In this short video guide, I'll walk you through how to use Bollinger Bands, and its advanced version, the Bollinger Band Squeeze, which I'll share with you for free. Stay with me to the end, because I'm also giving away something big. My unreleased premium Neo Trend Hunter buy-sell indicator with smart exit tech. I've spent 25 plus years in Forex, built over 50 premium tools, and helped thousands of traders around the world move beyond guesswork. If I had these tools when I started, I'd probably be on Mars by now with Elon Musk. And what I'm showing you here is just a drop in the ocean. Behind it is something much bigger. My 5-hour special video course I've been quietly building. The ultimate MT4 Forex Indicator Academy. It's not for everyone. But the few traders I've already shared parts of it with were absolutely blown away. So when you hear from me about it, I'm pretty sure you'll be jumping out of your chair. But for now, let's jump into the Bollinger Bands indicator and how you can use it for your maximum advantage in trading. Right, so the first step is to add Bollinger Bands to our chart. And here are the period settings that we can see with the indicator. You can play around with them, see how it changes the levels, but we're not going to dive deep into this right now. Once we attach the indicator to the chart, we can see here 3 lines going like this. The middle line is the moving average. Then the upper and lower bands expand when volatility increases and contract when volatility decreases. So we can see low volatility here, and these bands are pressing close together. And with higher volatility, the distance between the bands gets bigger. Now, how do the Bollinger Bands work? We need to understand that the upper band is showing us overbought levels. So basically, when the price touches the upper band, it often indicates overbought conditions, signaling a potential reversal downward. Okay? So for example, here it reached the upper band, and the price steadily went down to the lower band. Then the lower band shows oversold market conditions, and when the price touches or moves below this lower band, it indicates that the market is oversold, and there is a possibility for a trend reversal, okay? Now, I really recommend you avoid using Bollinger Bands as a standalone tool, and I believe you should combine it with other indicators such as RSI or MACD. And by the way, you can find videos about these indicators on my channel and carldittman.com website. These indicators work very well together with Bollinger Bands, or the cool version that I'm going to share with you right now. But before we get there, let's have a look at some of the key strategies you can use with Bollinger Bands. So you should look for breakouts after tight bands, okay? So let's say the price was pretty much consolidated, for example, around the beginning of April, and then there was a clear breakout upward. We can see a clearer example here. So basically, this tunnel was pretty narrow, and specifically narrow here, around April 2. The market consolidated here, and there was a strong breakout right after. So I think it's a good time now to move to the Bollinger Band Squeeze, which is another version of the Bollinger Band indicator. It has a variety of inputs. You can read about them in the PDF that I'll attach with this indicator. But as with any indicator, you can just experiment with the settings and see what happens. Of course, use a demo account first. So once we attach the squeeze version to the chart, we can see that there is a histogram with green and red bars, as you see right here. So let's get to how we read this indicator. We have green bars showing bullish momentum and red bars showing bearish momentum. We should also pay attention to the size of the bar. If the size is small, it means the volatility is low. If the bars are bigger, it means the volatility is increasing. Same like with the original Bollinger Bands, put in different form. Okay, so how do you use this squeeze type of indicator? Basically, you should look for these small compression parts, where the bars are becoming consolidated, and then you should expect either a bearish breakout where the red bars appear, or a bullish breakout where green bars appear. And I'm sure you're going to like the indicator. And let's just quickly see how it performs. Here was a moment of tight consolidation, and then a strong breakout upward. On the indicator, we can clearly see how the bars shifted from red to green, signaling bullish momentum right before the move started. And it was pretty accurate at doing so. Of course, I don't recommend using this Bollinger Band Squeeze indicator as a standalone strategy. Confirming signals from other indicators, it works pretty well. You can experiment with the settings and I'm sure you're going to see how much faster it is compared to the original Bollinger Bands. So I think you should definitely give it a try and experiment with this indicator in your own trading. Use it to confirm your trade. Would it be Forex, stock, crypto, or whatever else you trade? And if you want to get this indicator, please head over to my website, www.carldittman.com, or follow the 100% free download link in the description below this video. Oh, and remember what I said at the beginning about a chance to get my premium indicator? Just by downloading the Bollinger Bands squeeze indicator, you also get a chance to win a copy of my premium indicator, the Neo Trend Hunter. Just reply to the email where you receive your download link and let me know you'd like to enter the giveaway. Who knows? Maybe soon you'll open your inbox to see a shiny subject line telling you that you've won. And just like that, you'll step into a whole new world of trading. Once again, my name is Carl Dittman and I am really happy to share it. I'll also give you a free PDF that will accompany the indicator. Additionally, I'll be super happy to reply to your questions via contact form on my website or here in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps my channel and traders just like you from all over the world. I'll be happy to surprise you with even more great trading tools. So please keep an eye on my next videos. Good luck and have a great trading session. Warm regards, Carl Dittman.